Bill Gates says, everyone needs a coach. In fact, every teacher can be a coach, and the most powerful learning happens in your classroom alongside your students. We all spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on professional development each year, yet how much impact does it really have in our classroom? We often talk about visiting our colleagues' classes and learning from each other, yet how often does it really happen? Current research indicates that personalized in-house professional development has the greatest impact on a teacher's professional development, and most importantly, it has the greatest impact on student learning. Join me,
Cheryl Terry at Learning2, to learn how to create powerful coaching partnerships and focus on specific problems of practice that you've observed in your classroom.
What have you noticed that your students need? What teaching strategies might you want to get better at? You'll explore both the fundamentals of Jim Knight's impact cycle and develop your tools as a coach.
Through the workshop, you'll have the chance to try out some interactive exchanges and conversations to develop your coaching skills.
You'll come away with simple structured conversations to try out with your colleagues, co-teachers, or your teams to enhance student learning and perhaps to support your professional goals.
I look forward to seeing you there.